Hello students, welcome to the next session of Air Pollution Control Techniques, an open elective course. Course code is 2CHOE02. In the previous session, we have discussed wet scrubbers. In wet scrubbing, an atomized liquid, usually water, is used to capture particulate dust or pollutant to increase the size of aerosols. Increase in size facilitates separation of the particulate from the carrier gas. Wet scrubbing can effectively remove fine particles in the range from zero point 0.1 micrometers to 20 micrometer. The particles may be caught first by the liquid or first on the scrubber structure and then washed off by the liquid. Scrubbers are relatively inexpensive when removal of particulate is not critical. Also, wet scrubbers are operated more easily than other sophisticated type of particulate removal equipments. We have discussed principle, construction and working of wet scrubbers. We have also discussed its advantages, limitations and their industrial applications. In today's session, we are going to learn about absorbers or scrubbers. Objective of today's session is to demonstrate an understanding of the basic principle, construction and working of absorber used to control gaseous emission generated by stationary sources of air pollution by successfully completing the review questions. Objective of today's session is to, at the end of this session, you will able to describe the basic principle, construction and working mechanism of absorber used to control gases emission generated by stationary sources of air pollution. You will able to recognize different parts of absorber, different media used in absorber and describe their operation, how they collect particulate matter and gaseous pollutant. You will able to describe the list and the types of equipment used as absorber. You will able to enlist the different medium or solvent used for different types of pollutants. You will able to describe factors that affect the collection efficiency. You will able to understand the advantages, limitations and industrial applications of absorber. With this, I welcome you all for the next session. Thank you.